Most people enter a new year with hope. Very few enter with direction. They say things like, "This year will be different. I'll work harder. I'll focus more." But hope without clarity is just noise. If you don't decide where you're going, life will decide for you. Today, I want to talk about Vision Board 2026. Not the Pinterest aesthetic version. Not cutting pictures for fun, but a real vision board. One that actually helps you build the life you want. By the end of this video, you'll know what a vision board really is, why it works psychologically, how to make one step by step, and how to use it daily to turn goals into reality. Let's begin. What a vision board really is. A vision board is not magic. It doesn't manifest money while you sleep. A vision board is clarity made visible. It's a physical or digital reminder of who you want to become, what kind of life you want to live, and where your effort should go. Your mind works best with images. It remembers pictures better than words. That's why athletes visualize winning. Entrepreneurs imagine their future company, and writers imagine the book before it exists. A vision board gives your brain a target. And once your brain has a target, it starts filtering decisions, habits, and opportunities around it. Why vision boards actually work. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system. It decides what information is important to you. If you decide, "I want a specific bike," suddenly you see that bike everywhere. The bike was always there. Your awareness wasn't. A vision board trains your awareness. When you see your goals daily, your decisions align. Distractions feel heavier. Excuses feel weaker. This is not manifestation. It's mental conditioning. You start acting like the person your board represents. And consistency always beats motivation. Why most people fail with vision boards. Most people make it once, feel excited for 2 days, forget about it completely, because they treat it like decoration, not direction. Vision boards fail when goals are vague, dreams are copied from others. There's no emotional connection. There's no daily interaction. So let's fix that. The core areas of a powerful vision board, with examples. 1. Identity. Who do you want to become in 2026? Examples. Disciplined, calm, confident, skilled, consistent. Put an image of someone reading or working silently. Words like consistent, talented, quiet, discipline, built daily. Identity decides habits. Habits decide outcomes. 2. Health. No energy, no dreams. Instead of writing, "I want to be fit," put a gym or training environment. A body type that represents strength, not perfection. Words like train even when motivation is low. Strong body, strong mind. Your brain starts linking fitness with discipline, not emotion. 3. Skills and career. Your income grows with your skills, not your wishes. Instead of, "I want a good job," put a focused workspace image. A YouTube play button if you want to create. A book related to your skill. Words like learn, apply, repeat. Skills pay the bills. 4. Money and lifestyle. Be specific. Instead of, "I want money," put a realistic income number. Example, Indian rupee 1,000,000/month. A simple lifestyle image. Freedom, not luxury. Travel images only if travel is truly your goal. Words like earn with value. Long-term wealth. Money isn't evil. Lack of clarity is. 5. Relationships and environment. Instead of, "I want better people," put a focused group working together. A clean, peaceful living space. Words like protect energy. Quality over quantity. Your environment shapes you more than motivation ever will. 6. Contribution and purpose. This is what most people miss. Instead of, "I want to help people," put a mic if you want to speak. A camera if you want to teach. A notebook if you want to write. Words like create value daily. Teach what I learn. Purpose keeps your ego in check and your work meaningful. How to make your vision board, step by step. Reflect. Ask, what worked in 2025? What failed? What drained me? What gave me energy? Clarity comes from reflection. Choose 8 to 12 goals, not 50. Choose goals that scare you slightly, excite you deeply, require effort, not luck. Turn goals into visuals. Images speak directly to the subconscious. Add action words. Examples. Daily discipline. Built, not wished. One skill at a time. Place it where you'll see it. Phone wallpaper. Study wall. Notebook cover. If you don't see it, it won't work. How to use it daily. A vision board is a daily tool, not a one-time activity. Daily, 5 minutes. Look at your board. Visualize one goal. Ask, what's one action today? Weekly, are my actions matching my vision? What distracted me? Monthly, remove what no longer fits. Add what now matters. Growth requires updating your vision. The real truth. A vision board will not remove struggle, remove doubt, remove hard days, but it will remind you why you started, pull you back when you drift. Keep your direction visible. People quit not because it's hard, but because they forget where they're going. 2026 is coming whether you're ready or not. The question is simple. Will you design your future or react to it? A vision board is not about dreaming. It's about deciding. If this video helped you, like, share it with someone who needs clarity, and subscribe to Book 2 Better, Books That Build You. And comment below, what's one thing you want to achieve in 2026? I'll see you in the next one.